In this quick pivot table video, I'd like to show you how to group your columns by criteria that you don't necessarily have in your pivot tables. So in my pivot table here, let's say that I want to group accounting, legal, and support into one category and then the rest of the items in another category. And for this, I don't have any column in my raw data that would allow me to determine this grouping. So what I can do is to click on each of these items that I mentioned, then right click and select group. This is going to place them in a group over here. And for now, it all looks a bit messy, but let me also select the other categories and group them as well. So now my grouping already looks a bit better. And notice over here in the pivot table fields that I have this new field that I can simply take out or put in back. So now let me just, for example, rename this as expensive categories, and these are going to be less expensive. So I wouldn't have the option to group this way if I were to rely just on my raw data, but with this trick that I showed you, you can group your pivot table rows by the criteria that you decide. So this is how to do it. Let me know if this video was useful. Give it a thumbs up if it was so, subscribe, and comment down below if you need further help with this.